So this is the image I'm going to use. So now go to filters and then select Gimp. And now in the search bar, left click and then type snow. You will find the filter under degradations, rain and snow, left click. So now in order to create the snow effect, we need to decrease the speed. So I'm going to reduce the speed. So here like this until you get the best result or the result you like. So for example, I'm going to leave it here. So the density is going to increase the amount. So I'm going to decrease it. So I'm going to add it like this. So the radius is going to increase, I think, the size here of the snowflakes. So I'm going to increase it all the way up. So I'm going to leave it here. The opacity controls the opacity. The gamma will also kind of control the density if I increase it. So here if I decrease it. So now I'm going to double click here and then type 1, press enter. And now I'm going to leave all these settings as they are. So now if you check this one here, this is the preview. If you left click, so here it is, and make sure it's checked. So I'm going to leave it like this. It will create a new layer, a new transparent layer with the snow. So I'm just going to click OK. So here it is. Here's our layer. So now I'm going to create another layer. So I'm going to hide this one. Select the image layer, the women layer, go to filters, and then select reshow Gimp. So as you can see, it showed our Gimp filter, rain and snow. So now I'm just going to increase the density a little bit. This. And now click OK. And for this layer, this one here, I'm going to scale it up. So select the scale tool. So here, as you can see, the chain icon here is linked. So I'm going to multiply the width and height by 2. So I'm just going to multiply the width, type asterisk and then type 2 and then press enter. So here it is, click scale. So as you can see, to increase the size of the snow. So now if I review the first one, so here it is, you can still, for example, create another layer and then multiply by 3 to increase the size or the effect. So now I'm going to leave it here. So now let's see the before and after. Right click on top layer, node from visible. So this is the before, this is the after.